Hey guys, this is Joey. Welcome back to our channel Linbay Machinery. Next to me is one production line of the ridge cap. The primary of the ridge cap is to cover the top roof to prevent from the dust and the rain. And the ridge cap is usually made from the color-coated steel or galvanized steel with a thickness of 0.3 to 0.6 millimeter. Let's see more details. Usually the steel coil comes from the decoiler and then go into the guiding part. These guiding rollers can keep the steel coil and the machines with the same center line, ensuring the symmetry and the straightness of the ridge cap. It also influences the rainproof function of the ridge caps. And considering the thickness of the steel coil is ranging from 0.3 to 0.6 millimeter, we use the wall panel structure and the chain driving system. It's a very common, regular, and efficient configuration for this thickness. And then let's see more details. We use the metal box to cover the chain. It can help to protect our workers from getting hurt, also protect the chains from dust. This is one-seated, simple but efficient cutting device. This device can cut the notches. This enables better fitting of the ridge caps to the corrugated panels waves. This roll forming machine is equipped with an encoder from the Japanese brand Coil, and the encoder can transform the steel coil length into electrical signal and pass the signal to the PLC control cabinet. On this PLC screen, we can set the quantity per cycle and the production speed and the cutting length. With the precise feedback and measurement from the encoder, the cutting machine can control the cutting accuracy within 1 millimeter. This is a hydraulic cutting machine and it gets the power from the hydraulic station. One production line like this requires about 70 to 90 working days. And the ridge cap comes into different shapes to match the different roof panels. If you are interested in this production line, please feel free to contact us. We can provide customizable production lines for you. This is Joey. See you next time.